So we're going to be working on a reverse lunge today. Now, how this is going to work, a lot of the same mechanics are going to be taken from a squat. So we're going to turn sideways here. Feet are going to be about hips width apart, so a little smaller than shoulders width here. We're going to take one leg, drive it backwards, descend. Your knee's going to go down, slightly tap the floor. Do not drive your knee into the floor. That's going to hurt a lot. And then we're going to push back up with the front leg here. So down and push, switch side, down and push, switch sides, down and push, switch sides. Now when we're pressing upwards, we're going to make sure to get a nice evenly distributed weight across the front foot, yet we're still pushing through the heel as we come upwards. You're going to feel a lot of engagement in the quads right here, but as we come upwards, that's going to shift towards the back of your leg. And you're feeling the hamstrings, and we're going to use the glutes here to help straighten our body up and end up standing up straight. So a couple more reps here. Drop down, push, drop down, push, drop down, push. And that is our reverse lunge.